Yes, people, FadaGugs is here again today with another simple but very effective video. Today's video, I'll be making pomegranate smoothie. I'll be adding in 1.5 cup of almond milk, 1 tablespoon of honey just for sweetening. The pomegranate, a lot of us may know it as pomegranate. That's how I used to call it when I was growing up, but the correct name is pomegranate. But as always, FadaGugs like to talk a little bit about the ingredients and the benefit it has to offer. Pomegranates are among the healthiest fruit on earth. They contain a range of beneficial plant compounds. Studies have shown that they have several health benefits for our bodies, possibly lowering the risk of various diseases. The pomegranate are loaded with important nutrients like fiber, protein, vitamin C, vitamin K, potassium, and many more. The pomegranate, it contains 2 plant compounds with powerful medical properties. The pomegranate, it has an impressive anti-inflammatory effect. It may help fight prostate cancer. It may also be used against breast cancer. The pomegranate, it may lower your blood pressure. It may lower the risk of a heart disease. And the pomegranate, it may fight arthritis and joint pain. That's just a brief description of what the pomegranate have to offer. I'll leave a more detailed one down in the description so you can have a look. All in all, the pomegranate is a good fruit we need to get in our system. But if you like the video so far, give me a thumbs up. Please don't forget to click that subscribe button if you haven't already done so, and turn on that post notification so you'll be notified whenever time FadaGugs have posted a new video. So now let's just get on, start making the drink. So let's just prepare the thing now. We need to put them thing there to the side. We need to get a container and the pomegranate. So basically what you need to do, you need to cut off one end. Yeah, then cut the other end. Just like that. And just, yep, slice it right in our part of the joint there. And all the nice juice I run out already. Wow. Basically you want to just brush them off in a container. Yeah, just brush them off. Next one. Final piece. So that's it. So we need to do now, we need to just pick out all of the stem out of it. So I'll go ahead and do this bit and then I'll get back to you. So here we have it now, people. Pomegranate shell out. Get the seeds. So what we need to do now, get our blender and just put the seeds in the blender. Just throw them in your blender like that. Just quite a lot. It's supposed to taste nice when it's done. Here we have it. So now we use 1.5 cup almond milk. Oh, this is gonna taste amazing, man. Yeah, this is gonna taste nice. Yep, and then for the honey, it's a nice little squirt of honey. Here we have it. So now let's start the magic. It's a nice shake. Let's put that to the side a bit. Yes, people, so here we have it. It's a blend. So what we need to do now, we need to open it and drop some ice in it. Just to kind of thicken it up a bit. To drop some nice piece of ice inside it. Yeah. I want it nice and thick. Now cover up that. Put it back on our blender. Alright, that's it now. Nice, let's just get our board now. A nice glass. Just throw it in. Lovely and nice, look at that. That's nice. That's nice. Just a nice straw inside it now. Sprinkle some pomegranate on the top. Just so there you have it, people. Pomegranate, very refreshing and is very healthy. So if you like the video so far, please make sure you click that like button. Please click that subscribe button if you haven't already done so, and also remember to turn on the post notification so you'll be the first to be notified when FadaGugs have posted a new video. And remember, share with your family and your friends For now, FadaGugs is out.